I couldn't see why. Why do you think Biscuit would tell you off? Yes, Biscuit. Yes, I can understand. Yes, the look says it all, Biscuit. The glare, I should say, rather than just a look. Yeah, Biscuit, you gotta lay down the law sometimes, don't you, Biscuit, with dogs, Especially this silly dog. Oh, Lulu. Did Biscuit tell you off? Couldn't see why. Why would that happen? Me being a bit silly. Yeah. Oh, talk about the look. Biscuit staring at you. He's telling you off with his gaze, with his look. The look says it all. Yes, I